Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video I'll show you how to make subscription public on YouTube. So to do this you just need to open any browser and search here with youtube.com, and if you are on desktop you also need to do the same process. And in here you just need to tap on your profile icon at the right side corner and tap on the settings bar icon at the top right corner, and from here select the option history and privacy, and here you can see the option keep all my subscription private. As you can see, I have turned off this option. That means my subscription is now public. So if you turn on this option your subscription will be private. So if you see this blue check mark, that means your subscription is private. So in this case you just need to turn off this blue check mark option, and right now your subscription is now public. So there's the way how we can change the settings, and you can always change the settings anytime. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video found you helpful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.